Harare is gearing up to host the 44th SADC Heads of State Summit on August 17, 2024. 16 heads of state will be accommodated at the luxurious Hyatt Regency Michaels Hotel and the prestigious Rainbow Towers Group. These places are getting spruced up to welcome the dignitaries in style. Tourism Minister Barbara Rawadzi has been instrumental in these preparations. She's confirmed that everything is on track and highlighted some key areas of focus. Refurbishments are already underway, and there's been extensive collaboration with local operators to ensure the best experience for visitors. But it's not all smooth sailing. Minister Rawadzi has pointed out some challenges facing the tourism sector. One major issue is the non-remittance of payments, which has been a significant bottleneck. She emphasized the importance of registration and community engagement to address these challenges. For the first time, visiting presidents will interact directly with citizens. This initiative was proposed by SADC Executive Secretary, Mr. Elias Magosi, and it's definitely a game-changer. Zimbabwe's President Mnangagwa is all in on this idea. He's been pushing for it among his fellow heads of state, and it looks like it's going to happen. It's a fantastic opportunity for the people to connect with their leaders, and for the leaders to get a first-hand look at some of the mega projects in the country. The preparations for the summit also include fixing the roads. Harare's streets are getting a much-needed facelift to ensure smooth transportation for the delegates. In conclusion, Zimbabwe is pulling out all the stops to make the 44th SADC Heads of State Summit a grand success. From top-notch accommodations to significant infrastructural improvements, everything is being taken care of. It's a proud moment for the country and a giant leap towards a brighter future for the entire region. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.